What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham, and this is the PBA Finals Game 1 recap. And ang ganda ng ending na yun. Uh, no words to describe it. It's one of the best game ones I've watched. Granted, Ginebra lost the lead, but then it made it into a cinema. No, the last 3-4 minutes was incredible as a PBA fan in general. Ginebra had a big lead. Habol ng TNT. TNT led for 3-4 points pa nga. But then RJ Abarientos answered the call. So sabi nga ni Coach Charlie, not Coach Charlie, he's just Attorney Charlie,
Attorney. Charlie.
na give this guy the BPC already, but di ba ina-announce? And I think this is a different RJ that we have come to used to, na nakasanayan natin from past conferences. And closer and closer siya na yung, time to hand over the keys to RJ if it's not already with him, no? Kasi, of course, Scotty has a case, definitely. It's the longest tenure. Yeah, it's the longest tenure. 2015, 2016. Yeah. But, yeah, guys, as fans of one of the teams, nasaan kayo when it comes to this game one?
It was a mix of anger. There was anger. There was joy. There was joy. Then there was anger. Then there was frustration. Then there was, oh my God, how did he hit that? Then oh my God, tang inang pugoy yan. And then oh my God,
Yeah,
JB just did that. And then oh my God, is that a foul or not a foul? It was everywhere. The emotions were everywhere in this game, man. But what a way to pull it out. I'm not gonna lie. When Ginebra was down 5. When Ginebra was down 5 in the fourth after they were leading by as much as
18.
18? Sorry. I don't fully remember. I thought
Hello, TNT na. Dire-diretso na
Yeah.
yung momentum sa kanila eh.
Brother, all honesty, I thought that was theirs already. Now I was like, all right, man.
Mukhang di
That was
natin
fun.
araw.
Yeah, that was fun. But
Just
you
can't
know,
beat them, you know?
Daddy's
Parang
home
ganun.
again. Parang ganun. That's what it felt like. But no, this time they were able to show out. They were able to win for them. And all credit goes to man, I don't know who to even give credit to here. JB, RJ, obviously RJ. Ralph Koo had a good game also. Man, it was just a lot. It was a lot.
I'm gonna tell you who doesn't deserve any credit, Stephen Holt, but I'm gonna get to him in a second. By the way, my bad. No, sorry. Kulang pala. Stephen Holt Holmgren. My goodness, this guy just doesn't.
Stephen Holtgren.
Yeah, right. But whoo, that was fun, man. I'm telling you, that cake is a curse. Hype na cake yan talaga, bro. Bro, you know I always pull for Ginebra. Now I'm pulling extra hard for Ginebra because I already bought a cake.
You need 2 more cakes para para
Brother,
sigurado.
I'm not gonna lie. That cake thing gonna get us in hot water someday. That's gonna.
You mean in the next 2 weeks?
Yeah,
Because
we're gonna
oh
be
my
in a little
goodness,
bit of
this
heat.
team, there's just no easy win for Ginebra. Kahit nung rain or shine, di ba? Yung lamang nila nahahabol lagi. So, in the end, I'm really, really surprised, Mario. Sinabi ko kay Nico before recording, we rarely beat TNT in these games. Yung mga dikit, down the wire, lagi nilang nakukuha to sa atin. Game 7, Game 6s, yung mga ganun na masasakit na pagkatalo. But this time we're able to pull it off. Granted, hindi si RHJ yung nakabantay kay Brownlee kanina in the last shot. If it was a healthy RHJ, it may have been a whole lot different discussion. But we live with, TNT having Chris McCullough. Yeah, we live with what we have. On the side of Ginebra muna, great game by Troy Rosario. He is now the best center and he should not be playing center actually, but he's now the best center sa Ginebra team. Japit only played 11 minutes. I think he should be a good matchup for CMAC. Pero hindi.
No, he's not. But
in theory,
in theory, but he's
in the
older,
lab,
brother.
in the lab, he should be a better defender than Troy Rosario against CMAC. Pero no, much better pa rin si Troy, and of course, much better pa rin si Justin Brownlee. Scotty Thompson hit his 3-pointers. He had 3 3-pointers kanina. And if Scotty Thompson is hitting his threes, you have a hard time winning. Unless you're TNT, you always find a way to come back and still potentially win. And Art, actually one more shout out. Actually two more. Maya Gray and Ralph Koo. You all are our magic bunots. All right? Bro, Maya in the first half, 'di ba? Hit his 2 3-pointers. I'm surprised na hindi na siya masyado nabigyan ng opportunities in the second half. But it is what it is. You live and die with Coach Tim's decisions. And I almost died with Coach Tim's
You almost died
decisions
with it.
tonight,
You
You
almost
really.
guys almost died,
And
yeah.
then Ralph Kuman, grabe yung mga pamatay sunog niya. Yung lumalapit yung TNT in the third, lumalapit yung TNT in the second half. He'll hit his 3-pointers. And finally, we go to our two main guys. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap talaga ni RJ kanina, bro.
Woo!
Sa offense na nga kasi sa defense di masyado eh.
Inahunch siya sa defense.
Yeah, we expected that.
It's expected. Okay, that was
It is.
expected coming
Yeah.
into this series, man. That's
He
honestly
did way better than Cancino, that's for sure.
wow.
Um,
Drive by.
Yeah, I mean, am I wrong? He did way better than CJ Cancino. Or wala lang siguro talaga masyado option si Nebra kaya hindi mailabas si RJ. But he was really really hunted on defense. Pero on offense, wala siyang paki. Tsaka kahit sino ka pa. Kahit si Simak pa eh. Di ba? But
Bro, ba yung sinasabi natin na okay, there are players na pag hinahunt sa defense, kailangan sa opensa, malupit
Mabawi.
sila. Oo.
Mhm.
Anton Asistio, one of those players. CJ Cancino,
Karakot.
one of those players, di ba?
Karakot.
A lot of people, right?
Karakot, man. I've
Andre
mentioned it 3
Karakot is one
times.
of those people.
Wami Chongson.
Yeah, Wami, exactly. And then the same for the other way around na parang may mga people na like Chris Ross. You're not gonna get if they're not doing anything on offense and ang pangit ng depensa nila. Wag ka na you don't also play Chris Ross, 'di ba? May mga ganung players and I think kanina RJS being hunted pero binabawi niya sa opensa. And that's
Bro,
how
I have a thing for that. Hindi kaya ganun yung iniisip ni Steven Holt na, okay, sige, ang galing ko sa depensa. Hindi na lang ako opensa. Kasi si RJ, ang galing niya sa opensa, pero hindi siya dumidepensa. I mean, not na hindi siya dumidepensa, but he's
Nahihirapan
not
siya.
very good on defense. Si
Yeah.
Holt siguro sabi niya, ang galing ko sa depensa, nababantay ako si Oftana, nababantay ako si Pugoy. Hindi na lang ako opensa. Baka ganun yung naiisip niya. Dapat hindi ganun eh, di ba?
Man, I'll go to Holt later. Ito yung this is what I wanted to bring up, man. In the last episode, sabi ko na, with JB and Chris McCullough, equal yun. They're the same dude. And it literally in the stats, 23 for JB, 25 for C-Mac, diba?
Yeah.
How about this? JB had 4 rebounds, C-Mac had 14. Wow. And then JB had 8 assists and C-Mac had 4. There were people in the comment section, and I will do this right now because I did not like. They were like, Hinebra fan pa ba yan? Ba't niya sinasabi na equal si C-Mac and JB? Brother, they are! If you look at the stat sheet, they literally
si Mac
are right
played
now.
better pa nga kanina eh.
Exactly. It will always end up with the locals. And I am not a blind Hinebra fan. Everybody knows this. I'm a Hinebra fan, but I'm not blind. I'm gonna blindly just give praise to everything, brother. JB and C-Mac will cancel each other out every single game. Every single game, they will cancel each other out. So you really need your locals to play well. And yun nga, na-mention ni Graham kanina, RJ with 2 bastardly 4-point shots, by the way. Both of those.
Grabe yun.
Gutsy.
It's really meant,
What
parang
do you
alam mo
think-
para sa Hinebra talaga eh.
Yan yung mga tira,
What do you
parang
think about the
bastos nito.
Bro, what do you think about the 4-point line? Because if you're a TNT fan, you'll be pissed right now na, what ba yung 4-point line?
They've won a few games with the 4-point line. They've won a few games
yeah.
with the 4.
So, di siya pwede magreklamo.
Basically, dude, this is how it's always going to be. Isn't this what the PBA wanted? You add the 4-point line, and all
And
of
it
a sudden,
matters.
all of a sudden,
decides
the 4-point line matters, diba?
Yeah.
Like games are close all of a sudden, and you don't have any room to breathe. That's basically what the game was a while ago. Ginebra basically looked dead in the water, down 95-90, and RJ hits a 4, hits a 2, hits a 4, and then when
hits
the
another
game
4.
again down by 1 after Pugoy hits 2 free throws, RJ hits another 4, which people will say na ganda nung play ni Coach Tim. No.
Yeah,
Yung
na-deny
shot
kay
ni
Brownie.
RJ, di yan play ni Coach Tim, brother.
Accident
Ano
lang
lang
yun.
yun? ang tawag doon, bayag lang ni RJ Barrientos yun, men.
Yeah.
Legit, bayag
Agree.
lang ni RJ yun. Kasi, it looked like the JB was supposed to get the ball back, pero di na talaga makuha-kuha.
Mismatch
But,
kasi. Si RR
yeah,
lang ata yung bantay niya or si Heading. I'm not
Jordan,
sure.
Jordan. It was Jordan.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
kailangan mo talaga ibalik sa kanya. Hindi lang mabalik ni RJ.
Yeah. So, but look at this, man. This is why it's so annoying when, now I'm gonna go to the negative a little bit, but Stephen Holt. How does Ralph Koo shoot 10 shots in 17 minutes and you shoot 3
Ayaw
times
niya
in
talaga
23?
no? Di talaga siya
What
tira
Dude, he takes one shot every 11 minutes. He, he takes one shot every 11 minutes. That's not, brother, for the guys we gave up for him. Who did we give up for Stephen Holt?
Stanley Pringle.
Di ba si Stan?
Si Stan Stanley. Yeah.
Yeah, tapos for Holt, RJ.
Go.
Holt, go
And
RJ.
the draft pick.
Yeah, the draft pick, yeah, RJ. So, man, it's a weird thing to say, pero this is not the Holt I think everybody wants to get. There are games where he looks good, pero yung mga games talaga na, brother, di mo gets ba't ayaw niya talaga tumira ng bola.
Pero yung Holt niya ata H-A-L-T, not H-O-L-T. Like,
Oh, that's good. I like that. That's a good joke. That's,
bro, I mean,
that's a good joke.
it's
That's a good joke,
it's
Graham. That's a
crazy. O,
good one.
sabihin na naman ni Ibo, oh, magtagalog na lang kayo. Yes, yes, we do know English. I'm talking to you. No,
Oh,
gana naman siya. Anyway,
maglalabas na naman siya ng pangalan ng po.
bro, we forgot to talk about the shot of Brownlee. I've seen that a million times. He did that against Meralco a decade ago, against Allen Durham, against Cliff
Sana
Notes.
yun no?
That's his go-to. Going to the right, tapos kakabigin ka konti off the glass. That's his go-to. But in the end, bro, sa kanya pa rin sila nagpunta. Despite him struggling, he only shot 10 of 21. So under 50%. And RJ was the hot man in the fourth quarter. Pero in the end, pupunta ka pa rin talaga sa winning man mo. Justin Brownlee, you live and die with what he does. Against, I should say, the best defender on TNT now, di ba? Si Macalo. Kasi wala si Kubuntin eh. Kubuntin was really doing a great job on Brownlee. Kaso, he's not the, he doesn't bring the office like of Tana and Pagoy do.
Yeah.
But man, he saved us again. I genuinely believe we went to overtime, we would have lost. And I'm
Oh, yeah.
probably saying this right now na parang, hey, kasi sabi mo kasi nalo na kayo, you can say anything. We did not have anything anymore left in the tank. Kasi hindi na mapasok yung mga tres eh. Ironically, mapasok na yung mga 4. But, yung, yung mga tres nung Hinebra, yung mga tres ni Kuhn, ni Scotty, excuse me, even Brownlee, hindi na nahuhulog. So, we were really, really lucky. We were really, really lucky to come away with this victory, man. Hindi ako I probably would not have joined the episode. I'll come up with an excuse na
No
may meeting ako.
way.
No way,
If
You
Graham.
would
natalo.
have
Bro,
skipped it.
I'm serious, man.
You would have
People
pulled a
can
Nico.
the
The
resident Ginebra
allegations.
hater.
The alligator.
The allegations are real.
But, I'm just so happy na I would say nakachamba tayo in game 1. That was a
It's
chamba
so
win.
hard to say na nakachamba tayo kasi we were up by so much. So it's weird to say na nakachamba tayo pero gets ko yung sinasabi mo. Kasi, again, let's be real. The RR 4-point shot almost went in.
Oh.
Like, just one little centimeter to the left and to the right, and it would have been saktong off the board. Admittedly for me, it's not a foul. For me, it's not a foul.
Hey, we have
But-
to talk about that.
But it could have been called a foul. That's how I'll say it. Parang, in that moment, hindi siya foul. But if you called it, you can make a valid argument.
I won't be mad. Okay.
Yeah, parang,
Alright.
wala. May body contact talaga eh.
For
Parang ganun.
the first time,
In
probably
forever.
ever. Actually, not ever. But for the first time in this era, in the 2020s, TNT lost a controversial game 1 ending. You know, the Jason
talk about
Castro
yung
buzzer
buzzer beater niya?
beater,
Yes,
the Mo Tautua basket
Oh yeah, the dunk.
interference.
Oh nga pala.
Diba?
My
Now-
favorite. I love that point. That was so funny.
Now you'll know how to sleep knowing that you probably got the short end of the stick when it comes to calls at the end of a game, at the end of a game 1 of the finals. So It was a 50-50 call. Hindi naman yung kagaya nung kay Mo Tautua talaga na ang lala nun. Blatant talaga yun eh. Yung kay Castro, okay, alright, it was really, really close, di ba? 0-0 pero hindi nakailaw. But it was close. Yung kay Tautua, wala talaga. This one, I think it's fine na nilet go nila. It was barely any contact. And yun, yung mga play na ganun, tumutumba talaga yung mga player, eh, di ba? With the
Mhm.
slightest of contacts. So, I don't think it's really that controversial. Of course, people are gonna make a whole lot of, complaints about it kasi Hinebra yan. Pero, I think they did the right thing of not calling a foul. You know what's not a foul? Justin Brownlee on Chris McCullough. That is not a foul. I
I'm
still,
confused with that. What was the call there?
it was a
Maybe
holding foul on
Holding
Brownlee. I
foul.
get,
Yun yung
di ba?
left arm
Di ba
niya ata, di
sinabi ko,
ba? He was, pero
bro,
tama si Attorney Charlie na parang how are you stop that? Di ba? Parang anong gagawin ng defender kung
yeah.
gano'n, pagbibigyan niya na lang? Di ba may sabi gano'n
Exactly,
si
man.
Attorney Charlie?
And sabi ko nga, gets ko kung blocking foul. Kasi he was blocking his way. Pero holding,
Holding daw yung left. Kasi momentum do, pero di ko rin gets yung call talaga. Kasi di ba yung momentum ni McCullough was so, si Brownlee, syempre, he has to defend. He has to,
di
di
ba?
ba?
yan, ganyan. Tama yan, Nico. Tama yan. Magsalita ka. Baka may
Yes,
lumabas
our
na naman.
people are saying,
Baka
Baka,
may lumabas na naman
Mario
hater
Grimley
mo.
Mario Grimley nagsasalita.
kala ko ba,
Hindi ko
kala
get.
ko ba TNT ka? Hindi ako TNT. Doon ako
Tama
sa,
yan.
sa,
Magsalita ka lang. Magsalita ka lang dyan.
Yeah. Yeah, we're giving you the platform, man. You deserve the platform more than we do, according to. But man, that's not really a foul on Justin Brownlee. But they called that apparently. Bro, this referee, the bald referee,
di ba pa rin, di ba
Wow,
I
si,
wow,
don't
wow.
I don't
Kapatid
like
mo
him.
yun. Kapatid mo yun. Kalma ka lang.
I
si
don't like you,
Jeffrey,
Unc.
si
I don't like you,
si
Unc.
referee Jeffrey,
Kapatid mo yun.
He
Kalma ka.
he did Jonas linggo sinigawan kaya kalbo, kalbo. Kasi he did the call yung kay Japet yung out of bounds pero si Kalen yung last touch and it happened in front of him.
Yung
Tapos
game 6.
in game 6 against Ross, tapos ngayon I don't think that's a foul. But we move past that. We already won. I'm not gonna be buttered. I have to talk about Ray ng Batak, bro. Every time he sees Ginebra, every time he sees red, anything red, he becomes alive.
It's Ray ng
He's
Batak
the
again.
he's the finals MVP Ray ng
It's
Batak
Finals
again.
MVP Ray ng Batak.
What's going on, bro? I mean, galit mo sa Ginebra, man. 19 points. They were dead and siya yung bumubuhay sa kanila. It was not RR. McCullough was in there for the whole game. Pero sinambatak talaga, man. Sobrang lason talaga. And, pag nakikita niya si RJ, man, yari. Parang,
It will always happen that way talaga. Kaya nga it really matters how well can RJ make up for it on offense eh.
mhm.
Kasi no matter what, aatikihin talaga siya. Like, no matter what.
Yung, iba kasi yung atake kay RJ, nabawa, yung San Miguel, si Jericho Cruz, or si Chris Ross,
Poste yun.
poste, di ba? Ganon din si Castro kadalasan eh. Although kadalasan minsan si Castro dinadaan din sa bilis. Sinambatak man talagang one-on-one dribble, hot sauce professor N1 basketball ginagawa niya. Tapos step back 3 points, 4 points, he doesn't care. Ganon yung ginagawa niya kay RJ, man binabata niya talaga. So you're right, it's up to RJ na bawiin mo talaga on offense or mong hintayin mo magmantis sila, which rarely happens talaga against Ginebra. These shooters of TNT. So I'm so impressed with Dambatak. I didn't think parang may sabi ni Shaq, I owe you an apology. I was not familiar with your game.
yeah.
I thought he didn't have it anymore with this team. I thought he's on his way out.
I still
Pero
think he's on his way out.
okay, all right, but he still have it. He still
Yeah,
has
he
it
still has
rather.
it, but then he's on his way
He
out.
still has it. Yeah. Because if you choose between Nambatak and Heading, it should be Heading, but in this game, apparently it's Nambatak because Heading only had 5 points. But muna ulitin yan, Ray, please. It's not good for my heart. But you were
Bro, you know
good tonight.
where Stingray would be good? I feel like I say this a lot for so many players. And by the way, Kwame Johnson is now officially back on my supported players list.
So support mo na ulit.
Uh, he's finally gonna get to play basketball again, go Kwame. But it's the same, like what is called I feel like a place where Ray ng Batak would be good as Ross. Kasi alam mo yung kailangan mo ng go-to guy. 'Di ba? And I feel like he can kind of fill that position somewhat. But that's why I think talagang he's out of there.
Galing na siya doon. Kaso alis na rin si Gian Mamuyak.
Ano si Gian? I didn't see any.
Na there have been offers abroad.
Really?
Japan, di ba? Yun yung mga
Yep.
rumors.
Rumors.
Really? I didn't see those.
Yeah. But galing na siya doon and you know, coaching knows
Wow.
him.
Oh,
So, right? So that's Ray ng Batak. RR Pugoy, Mario, I'm gonna tell you something. Against Ginebra, mas takot ako kay Pugoy kaysa kay Oftana.
I get why.
So far,
I get
yeah.
why.
Grabe
I get
talaga yung
why.
mga dagger niya ni RR.
Bro, I swear, yung 4-pointer niya, parang kinain ko yung puso ko in that moment eh. Sabi ko, is that gonna, mapasok yun ah.
Bro, parang 30 seconds na sa area. Alam mo sa Slam Dunk, Mario hasn't watched Slam Dunk yet. I
Oh yeah, he
assume
doesn't
and I believe
understand.
yes.
Si Kogure, kay
Yes.
kay
Bro,
Boy
yung
Labo.
kay Kogore, parang sobrang tagal ng bola sa ere. Parang ganun yung kay Pugoy na
Tapos
kung
pumasok.
pumasok yun, man, I really would have skipped this episode. For real. Pero lahason talaga si RR against Ginebra. Yung mga 3-pointer niya, lalo yung sa mga elbow, ang lala talaga ng mga ganun 3-pointer ni RR. He's so reliable. 7 of 14 from the field, although he was -3. Pero, yung gusto ko lagi kay RR, kinakain niya, actually, hindi ko to gusto eh. Ayoko to eh. Kinakain niya si Scotty sa poste, man.
Malaki si RR. He's
Every
really big.
single
Bro,
time.
there's a mismatch in size in basically every position talaga that for Hinebra. Kaya nga, kailangan talaga pumutok sila sa opensa and that's exactly what
Si
happened.
RJ
The only,
talaga.
the only position na walang mismatch on size is sa center. Pero, yung center natin, tulog
Ano?
eh. Japet.
You mean like, I mean, yeah, not wrong. The one that kind of yung wala talaga today was Jordan Heading, right?
Yeah, 5 points.
We're
And
Wala na
Castro.
naman.
And Castro.
And to be fair to Jesse Castro played 7 minutes. How many did Heading play?
Pero you think
Heading
it's ano
played
na, the injury
28.
caught up na he's old and everything.
Yeah, yung kay Jason, I'm not really mad when he has bad games. Kasi matanda na siya, man.
Matanda na talaga. Galing pang,
Oo.
ano yung injury niya? Achilles?
I forgot.
ACL.
ACL,
ACL.
diba?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't really mind it when Jason Castro has bad games kasi man, he's old. He's not supposed to be having great games anymore. Parang kay Bo Belga na pag nakadalawang puntos na si Bo, ang lupit na nun. Jason nga, and you were expecting him to have what? 8,
10.
9, 10, ganun. Laking bagay na nun. But ayun, for me, si Heading yung wala today. He did not perform well today. I think he had 5 points if I remember it
5
correctly.
lang. 5.
Yeah.
On 4,
Uh,
on 5 shots.
And that's why it's a little scary to me. Kasi, bro, Heading had 5 points and we only won by 2 points. And what's this called? It came off of some really nasty shots from RJ, di ba? So,
And Brownlee. Keep on
yeah,
forgetting
so
Brownlee.
there is that fear pa rin. But nonetheless, a game 1 win is a game 1 win. Di ba nasabi, I think I said this in the previous episode na for me, malaking bagay kung sino manalo sa first game. Kasi,
Yeah.
and especially in this manner, na parang for Hinebra, bangungot na naman eh. Like, man, like, oh, we lost the lead, TNT's gonna win this, steal this game. Pero parang nabaliktad na okay na. Parang, if there was a way to win this game, if it weren't a blowout, if it's like this, parang you've kind of settled your demons na talaga.
I think it's better for us, Mar. I think we needed this win more than TNT. Kasi yung TNT, alam na nilang kaya nila tayong talunin eh. We still at this point do not know if we can do it 3 more times. So, yun yung mahirap para sa akin for Ginebra. That's why sobrang importante ng game 1. Now heading into game 2, okay, I'm gonna give my prediction in a second.
Ay, ito na
Pero
ba?
I'm gonna
Mamaya na.
shock you.
Let's do the prediction in the
Yeah.
end.
I'm gonna shock you with the stat, Mario. Castro played 7 minutes.
Ano, ilang minus? Ano?
2 less shots than Stephen Holt.
And Stephen Holt played how many minutes?
33. Ladies and gentlemen.
Pwede bang Stephen Holt for Wami Changsara?
Graham, you know why you're I hate what you just said. Kasi you and I, how many minutes did we play tonight, Grim?
0.
Nico, how many minutes did you play tonight? Oh, how many less shots did you take than Stephen?
3 lang.
3.
Oh, that's why. That's my point. It's just so stupid.
Bro, I mean, if they're... all right. I mean,
Pero totoo kay Ralph ko, tumitira na siya. 10 shots. Our boy.
yeah.
Hey, man.
He listens to the pod.
What I'm
Actually, sister
surprised
niya. His
with...
sister listens to the pod. Because I'm batchmates
Oh,
with his
really?
sister.
Whoa, all right. Well,
Si Frankie
I
Koo.
mean,
We're batchmates. She listens to
oh,
the
Such a fire
podcast.
name,
yeah.
Frankie
I
Koo.
hope Jolina listens to the pod, but yeah, I don't know. But
Tama,
man,
don't see that happen.
I'm what happened to BGR? He played good. He had 12 points and 5 of 6
I
shoots.
don't know why
okay.
he barely played, dude. He played what? How many minutes? 7,
He has
17?
4
18?
fouls though. Was he in foul trouble ba?
No, he wasn't. He didn't have 4
No.
fouls. He was fouled
No,
4
he
times.
only had
He
one
only had
foul.
one foul.
Ganda, 12, 7, and 4 in 18 minutes.
Yeah, that's
So he
good.
was
Wow.
-3. So I don't know what happened. Is it a matchup problem? Kasi kaya niya kainin si Troy.
Who's his matchup problem?
Right?
I mean, sino pwede rin. Maybe I don't remember it, but maybe he made a few mistakes on defense. It's quite hard to defend bigs ng Hinebra kasi they aren't bigs na post-up bigs. They're 3-point shooting bigs, di ba?
Mhm.
So, it's not easy to defend them. So, baka nagkamali siya a few times. Maybe on Ralph, maybe on Troy, or maybe on JB a few times. But yeah, one more thing before we give the predictions. Yung last shot ni JB,
Yeah.
alam mo yung when he released it and you saw hindi siya diretso eh. If you're watching on TV, alam mo
Kala ko
Yeah,
mag-overtime.
the
Kala ko
angle.
mag-overtime.
Yeah, alam mong babaan ka siya eh. Like, you know it's going for the back
Yung boy.
only.
It's either
Diba?
sakto or bitin.
Yeah. It's either that thing's gonna go straight into off the board and into the net, or it'll just hit slightly short dun sa kung saan kailangan niyang tamaan. And that's not an easy shot, by the way.
Boarding pa
It is
eh, no? Did he call
But-
back? You think he called back? Is this part of his...
Yeah, he did.
Hindi,
Bro,
repertoire.
he did call back. I'm telling you, he did
He's done
that
this against SMB.
multiple times
yung itong
against Meralco.
Okay.
Exact
Meralco
same
yan.
shot
So
against
pinapractice na.
Meralco. Yes, bro.
Pinapractice talaga to shot.
Tagal niya ng baon yun sa Pilipinas sa dekada na yan. So I'm not surprised that he did call back. That was the plan. I do believe too that was the play.
That was the play. Isolate JB, yeah. Kasi
Oo.
at that point, your only thing is basta last shot sa inyo. Which didn't even happen, by the way.
Kasi may oras pa
Actually,
eh.
I mean, yeah,
Kasi if it-
pero
if
mahirap
it
na
missed
kalkulahin
kasi-
yun eh.
Oh, if it
Wala na,
missed, it
tapos
would
na.
have been no time. Yeah. So
Yeah.
the only thing in that moment was basta last shot goes to Hinebra, they're okay. Overtime is better than what is called? Overtime is better than giving TNT a
TNT,
chance
one last
to-
shot tied
yeah.
game.
Yeah, especially Coach Shot. Coach Shot's out of timeout plays are really, really good.
Kita mo
diba?
yung kanina, yung kay Oftana.
Bro,
Diba?
muntikan na nga yun eh.
Muntikan na nga.
Kasi nakakatakot kaya nakakatakot yung ATOs ng what's it called, ng TNT is because it can go alley-oop, but it can also go 3-point shot ni RR Pogoy na wide open bigla, or ni Heading na wide open.
Mhm.
I'm more surprised it wasn't set up for McCullough kasi obviously I think
Mas mataas siya
McCullough,
tumalon eh.
yeah, McCullough can jump higher than Calvin, and he's I think taller than JB if I'm remembering it correctly.
Mhm.
So, but I guess decoy si C-Mac dun. So, man, Hinebra escapes with it talaga. And I guess we're gonna do predictions now. I go,
Actually, hindi foul yung kay Oftana. It was close though. It was close.
di naman talaga foul yun. It could have been, but yun nga, it could have been.
It could have been.
Yeah.
Konting lean pa ni JB. Konting
It's-
lean, just
it's
slightly.
Like, Graham, diba, even if that was called foul, would you have been mad?
No. No.
Magigets mo.
Mapapaano ka syempre.
He'll be mad
Pero
first,
gets mo.
diba?
Yeah.
Pero gets mo.
Pero pag nakita mo yung replay, parang
Pero in
okay,
real
see where
time,
they're coming from.
ang bilis na nangyayari na yun, di ba?
Real time wala talaga man.
Yung-
Kaya and you have to, that's also, and I'm gonna defend the refs, then we can give our predictions. Na yung parang kasi sila real time nila inusgahan yung calls eh, di ba? Tayo kasi we have the benefit of
Yeah,
slow-mo, different
yeah.
angles. So, yeah, but in real time wala talaga eh. Pero pag in-slow mo, if you want to nitpick, that's That's more of a foul than Kelly Williams to Denzel Bowles in 2012.
Okay.
I'm not gonna let that go.
Yeah, I know, man. Because ever since we met you, you've been talking about Kelly Williams and Denzel Bowles.
That's not a foul.
I don't know how long we've been doing episodes with you. I think it's been like almost a year now.
More than a year.
More
Yeah,
than. Magtutuna.
Talaga? 2 years na tayo with Graham?
Magtutuna.
It's just 1 year and 3 months, man.
With
Oh,
Graham?
wow. He remembers. 1 year and 3 months.
Yeah, that's because that's the first time he met me and he was like, oh my God.
Wala, nagkakayaan pa kayo.
Sounds like pet
First
peeve.
2
Oh
weeks.
my
First
God.
2 weeks,
This guy's gonna be
nagkakayaan pa
my-
kayo.
This guy's gonna be my pet peeve, sabi ko agad.
alam
That's
niya
not a
agad eh, no?
foul.
Day
That's not a
1.
foul. Kelly and Denzel, that's not a foul.
I really wouldn't know, man.
Alright, what do you want in game 2? What do you want in game 2?
Sino mo muna? Ako muna? Para may,
Yeah,
hindi
ikaw
ko
na.
mabibigyan ng
Kasi
platform.
yeah, you deserve this platform. More than
Ay, it's my platform pala, by the way. Nakikiano lang kayo. Ano ba tawag dito?
Ay, kasama lang kami ni Graham. Itang ina namin.
Oo nga, gusto nyo lang sumama eh.
Yeah.
TNT by like 15 or something.
Wow. Hey man, I was called a Hinebra hater once. I have no plans on being called one in 2 straight episodes. I'm just gonna say Hinebra.
Talaga? You were called a Hinebra hater in the previous
Bro,
episode?
I'm telling you, man. I just don't get it sometimes.
I don't get it as well.
I don't get it sometimes. They're probably new, or they probably.
Oh, yeah. They're most likely new because people who listen to this one never said. Oh, anyway.
But I will say Hinebra wins it by, I don't know, 7 or 8.
Oh, it's big. 7-8?
Not that bad. The 7 or 8 is fine.
Oh.
just-
That's TNT in game 2, man.
Oh, using your head,
Oh,
huh?
but no one's gonna call Graham a gym hater, man.
Buy a cake. Prove yourself. Buy a cake.
I ain't gonna buy no cake, boy. I ain't gonna buy no.
I think they win by
Ganon.
7 to 10 points.
So, medyo same tayo. Medyo same range na it's... Kasi babawi sa game 1 TNT, feel ko ganun nga rin eh. Yung
I got a
above 8.
feeling na they're gonna start strong. Inebra.
It's on Friday, right? Game 2 is on a Friday.
It is on Friday, yeah.
Okay.
Like they're gonna start strong in Inebra with the Lakers fake comeback. Yung mga down
Yeah.
28, down to 6.
Tapos 9 na lang.
Lalayo ulit.
Tapos
I
lalayo
have
ulit.
feeling na mangyayaring ganun. Yeah. So, it's sad
There's a
to say
chance.
that. I hope I'm wrong. But I'm using my mind in game 2.
I'm still gonna say Hinebra.
Okay.
Alright.
So 2 TNTs here in 1 Hinebra. Alright. Kayo guys, please comment who you think would win game 2 of the PBA Finals. And as always, follow 5-star rating if you're listening on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. 6-month
Hey,
pod
by
here.
the way, one before we go, I don't mean to cut your outro, Nico, but shout out to this guy, Dude Spilly, who wanted
Ah,
to
yeah.
watch with us, man.
Oh,
Brother,
yeah.
I'm sorry. I just try to avoid Wednesday games as much as I can. But we appreciate the offer. Those were courtside seats, man.
Courtside seats talaga siya.
Seats. So,
I told Mario about those courtside seats. Offline na lang. Yeah.
I think you sent it to all of us.
Alright.
No,
But,
dude. Oh yeah, I said in the. No, I can't say it on here.
Yeah, you can say
Uh,
it on there, but then like
Yeah,
told all
But
guys.
on the
But yeah,
group
thank
chat, it
you.
was on our group chat.
Thank you, Dude Spitty. You're the GOAT. I hope that offer
Sa Sunday
stands.
daw. Boss Dudes.
Sunday?
Sa Sunday, si Graham.
Oo. The best dudes.
Boss Dudes, si Graham. Si Nico at Mario na rin kung may kasha.
Hey bro, sabi niya sa akin, basta kung kasama tayo, may kasamang dinner and I like the dinner part.
No way,
So,
talaga? Sige,
yeah, so-
sana naman. Di ako asa,
Brother-
pero if mangyari, di good.
Yeah.
Nakakandong pa raw kay Brownlee pag
Ikaw yung nakakandong. Hindi, siya yung nakakandong sa'yo.
Sa'yo nakakandang kay Graham.
Siya yung nakakandong kay Graham kasi iba talaga si Boss Dudes. Papakandong niya si Brownlee kay Graham.
Oo.
My God, alright, Nico.
Oh,
Adios,
he can't.
amigos.
Inaaro na siya. I can't.
Close it out.
Alright.
Close it out.
Alright, close it out.
Adios,
Bye.
amigos. LSD.